It's me, Bree Reads!
Hi friends, it's me Bree. Happy Halloween! Today, let's carve a pumpkin and learn shapes together. At Halloween time, we see all kinds of different pumpkins. Some are stripy, some are small, some are lumpy, some are big and perfect for carving, and some have no stem at all. Do you follow me on Instagram? Over there, we read this story together, Stumpkin, about a pumpkin with no stem. All his friends got chosen to be carved for Halloween and made into silly, scary, or happy jack-o'-lanterns. What kind of jack-o'-lantern should we make? Will you help me? Let's get started. First, it's time to cut the top. And we'll scoop out all the seeds and guts.
I'm using a special knife just for carving. Make sure you get a grown-up's help if you want to carve.
Before we give our pumpkin a face, we need to scoop out all of the insides. Ooh, it's really slimy and wet. Whoa. Look at all the seeds. And there's a lot more where that came from. I think I'll roast them in the oven for a yummy snack.
Just like tomatoes, pumpkins are actually fruit, if you can believe it. Just look at all those seeds.
Our pumpkin's not a jack-o'-lantern yet. It needs a face. Let's start with the eyes. What kind of eyes should we make? Will you help me? Let's practice over here.
What shape is this? It's a triangle. Triangle. 1, 2 triangles.
What do you think? That looks good. Let's try another shape.
What shape is this? Just like the moon. It's a crescent. Crescent. 1 crescent. 2 crescents. And get creative. You can turn these shapes any way you like.
If our jack-o'-lantern has crescent eyes, it looks like he's looking to the side. Or we can turn our crescents like this. And it looks like it's smiling. Which way do you like? Today, I'll make triangles. Just like that. Are you ready? Ta-da! 1 triangle, 2 triangles. They're the same. Now that our eyes are finished, our jack-o'-lantern needs a nose. What shape can we use? Let's try some over here.
What shape is this one? It's a circle. Circle.
Well, that's cute. A circle nose. How about this one?
How about this shape? What's this? A square. Square.
Or you can turn it and now it's a diamond.
Diamond. A diamond.
Let's try another.
What shape is this? It's a heart. Heart.
No, it's a heart. I love you. Let's turn it upside down. Oh yeah, I like that. I'm going to make an upside down heart.
Remember, any of these shapes can be turned upside down, around, any way you like.
Oh, a heart and a heart. Now what are we missing? The mouth. What kind of mouth can we make? Let's see.
This is a long circle. What shape is this? An oval. Oval.
Ooh, maybe our pumpkin is surprised. Or this oval, it's even bigger. Maybe the pumpkin is scared. How about this shape?
A smiley face with square-shaped teeth.
Do you want to see a silly jack-o'-lantern? How about this one? It's got 2 teeth on the top and 1 tooth on the bottom. Oh, it looks happy. Or
a scary face with sharp points.
something scary, spooky for Halloween. Lots of jiggity jaggedy, ziggity zaggedy triangle shapes. Ugh.
How about something with 2 pointy triangle teeth?
We could make a Dracula with fangs. Which one do you like? Today I'll try the silly, happy, jolly jack-o'-lantern because that's how I'm feeling.
Cheese!
Will you help me with the mouth? I always start with a marker and I draw the shape like this. The smile will start under this eye and end under this eye. Here we go. Draw down, stop. Let's make a tooth. It's almost like a square. 1, 2, 3. Let's do it again. Down, 1, 2, 3. A square with an open top. And up. Now, we'll draw down for the bottom of the mouth. Whee! Stop! In between these 2 teeth is another. A square shape. 1, 2, 3. and over. We'll meet the other side. Ta-da! It's time to cut. There. Now, let's pop it out. Oh, that's messy. Let's clean it up. Back inside. Here you are, Mr. Jack-o'-lantern. How about a trip to the dentist? Fresh. Last step, let's put his hat, his top back on. It's just like a puzzle. Aha, the perfect fit. And at night, you can put a candle inside so the jack-o'-lantern glows bright. Thank you for carving and practicing shapes with me today. Will you carve a pumpkin this year? I want to see. You can find and tag me on Instagram to show me. And please subscribe to my channel for more books and more fun. See you next time. Bye-bye.